End screens can be added to the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. You can use them to promote other videos, encourage viewers to subscribe, and more. You can add end screens during the upload flow at the Video Elements step. To do this, click Add. From here, you can pick one of the templates or add a specific element type. The available elements are Video, Playlist, Subscribe, Channel, and Link. Video lets you link your viewers to your most recent upload, or you can choose a specific video you'd like to link to. The Best for Viewer option allows YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer. Playlist lets you feature a public YouTube playlist. Subscribe encourages subscriptions to your channel. And Channel lets you promote another channel with a custom message. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you may also see the option for Link, which lets you link to an external website. You can add up to 4 elements to your end screen, and you can edit both the timing and the placement of your end screen elements. To edit the timing, drag and drop the blue bar in the timeline to set where you want the end screen to show, or you can enter a specific timecode. To edit the placement, use the Preview Video Player to drag and drop the element. The preview window will show you how the elements will show against your video, so you can check and ensure nothing is interfering with important visuals in your video. You can also click the grid icon to decide if you want the preview player to show a grid over the video preview, snap to grid, and snap to element for help with placing your elements. If you change your mind about what you added, you can use undo, redo, or the trash icon to make edits or delete the element. Once you're done adding and editing your end screen elements, click Save. Note you can also add end screens to an existing video by going to YouTube Studio, then Content. Once you select the video you want to edit, on the Video Details page, you'll see the End Screen option. Keep in mind that your video has to be at least 25 seconds long to use end screens. End screens aren't available for videos set as made for kids, and they aren't available on mobile web or in the YouTube Music app. You can check the performance of your end screens by going to YouTube Analytics, then Advanced Mode. Click More, then select the report for end screen element or end screen element type. For more info, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.